Artoonza.
Hey there, fruity artists and colorful geniuses. Did you know that fruits are basically nature's way of showing off? And today, we are showing off too. We're drawing not one, not two, but 6 gorgeous fruits. Apple, banana, strawberry, cherries, watermelon, and grapes. And making them sparkle with glitter polish and acrylic paint. Because plain fruit is so last season. We're kicking things off with our trusty black marker, the unsung hero of every masterpiece. Then we're going full-on fruity chaos with paints, glitter, and paint drops that might just make your kitchen table look a little artistic. You're welcome, Mom. Grab your markers, brushes, and that one crayon that's been hiding under your couch cushion for weeks. It's time to create a fruit bowl so absolutely stunning. Even your fussiest eater might actually want to eat fruits. Okay, probably not, but it'll look drop-dead amazing.
Aww, so cute.
Give us your like. Ready to paint, glitter, and get completely gloriously messy? Let's go! Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Time to go green. And no, we're not talking about eating your vegetables. We're talking about painting them, which is basically the same thing. Mom, if you're watching, see, I do love vegetables. We're dropping gorgeous light green paint drops like a tiny artistic rain shower. Drip, drip, masterpiece. Then brushing them across our fruits like certified professional fruit artists. Yes, that's a real job. I made it up just now, but still. The watermelon gets its cool green jacket, the apple gets its fresh glow, and the grapes get their leafy little crown. Everything's coming up green, and it is absolutely gorgeous.
Aww, so cute.
Give us a big thumbs up. Now, brown, the most underrated superstar in the entire color universe. Nobody ever gasps and says, "Ooh, brown!" But today, we are making it iconic. We're painting all those adorable little stems and details that hold our fruits together. Because without stems, an apple is literally just a ball with trust issues. Drop that brown paint, grab your brush, and let's give every single stem the glow-up it totally deserves. Purple time! The grapes just woke up and chose royalty today. We're dropping purple paint drops like tiny grape confetti and brushing them into the most majestic bunch of grapes you've ever seen. Honestly, these grapes are fancier than all of us combined. Smash that like button now. Red alert! The apple and strawberry just got their glow up, and they are not playing around. Juicy, bold, gorgeous red! Hello, sunshine. Our banana has been waiting so patiently for its big moment. And that moment is now. Drop yellow, brush it in, and watch it transform into an absolute superstar. Wait, red again? Yes, because one round of red was clearly not enough. This time, the inside of our juicy watermelon slice needs to be so red, so vivid, so absolutely drop-dead gorgeous that people will want to take a real bite straight off the paper. Please don't. It's acrylic paint, and it does not taste like watermelon. We checked. Drop those paint drops, grab that brush, and give this watermelon the rich, red, juicy heart it truly
Aww,
deserves.
so
Wow!
Black glitter polish, the grand finale that turns good art into pure magic. Big kiss, superstars. Wait, don't go. Click another video. We've got crazier drawings hiding here.